Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fabulous Food. Today I'm making shepherd's pie. I'm in Guyana and I brought this shepherd's pie seasoning, so I'll be making shepherd's pie. Check it out, from Canada. Clubhouse shepherd's pie seasoning. Making shepherd's pie for my cousin. So I have the seasoning here. I'll just add it to 2 pounds of chicken. Add in 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add in 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning. This is Guyana seasoning. Complete seasoning. Parsley. Sprinkle some parsley. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything up. So I only use half of teaspoon of the shepherd's pie seasoning. I'll add the other part when the chicken is fried up. Check out the chicken here, looking good. I just found sazon powder, so I'll add a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Mix everything again. Smells so good. Check out the color. Chicken looks so yummy. Add in the chicken to the pan. Check out the chicken here. Have some potato here going on. 4 pounds each, total 8 pounds with the chicken. Check it out. Everything cooking at the same time. Me and my cousin in the kitchen. Check us out. We're making shepherd's pie. Check out her water. Check out the water bottle. Holy cow! That's a big one.
Water is good.
Add in the oil. We have some cheese here for topping, milk for the potato, and cheese. Check out the chicken here. We also have some carrot, onion, garlic, and 1 seasoning pepper. Ooh, check out the chicken. Check out Stephanie. Color is so nice. Now I'll shred this up and then we'll add it with the onion, garlic, pepper, thyme. Check out the chicken. I mince it up with the mincer. Nice color it has. Check it out. Add onion, garlic, and seasoning pepper to the same pot. Frying up the onion, garlic, and pepper here. Check it out. Smells so good because I fried in the same oil with the chicken. Added in the chicken to the pan. Chicken cooking away there. I have some corn here, carrots, some more shepherd's pie seasoning, potato, green onion here. Add in the shallot. Add in the butter. Mixing up the potato here with butter, milk, lots of milk. Add in the milk. Check out the milk here. Add in the shepherd pie seasoning to a cup. Add in half a cup of water. Add in the seasoning, shepherd's pie seasoning. 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Add half a cup of milk. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. Check out the potato here. So moist, check it out. I added some cream here, check it out. Looks so nice, shepherd's pie looks so nice. All done, ready for baking. Check it out, you guys. Anyways, a big shout out to my husband and my 2 daughters. They really love shepherd's pie. I make it in Guyana here for my cousin. Big shout out to you, babe. My 2 daughters and my husband. Adding the meat seasoning to the pan. The meat. Adding the potato to the meat. Check it out here. Making shepherd's pie for Kato and the crew. Check it out here. Looks so good. We made 2 of them. 8 pounds potato, 3 pound chicken, cheese, carrot, corn, shepherd's pie seasoning. Now I've added some shredded cheese on top. Check it out, looks nice. Check it out, 2 trays of shepherd's pie ready to go in the oven. Put the shepherd's pie in the oven for half an hour until it's ready. Until it's get brown. For the shepherd's pie, looking good. It's getting brown here. Check out the shepherd's pie here, all done. Check it out, looking really nice. You can see piece cheese up there, melting. Looking so good. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. Shepherd's pie looks really nice. What do you think, Kato?
It looks good.
Looks good?
Whoa, it looks like mac and cheese.
Yeah?
Can't wait to try it.
You can't wait to try it?
Yeah.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Other shepherd's pie still need a little bit more. Looking really nice. Anyways, guys, check it out. Shepherd's pie look really good. 2 trays of shepherd's pie. Check it out. Thanks again for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. In Guyana, making shepherd's pie for my cousin. Thank you so much. Hope you like how it turns out. Bye-bye. Hi guys, check out my shepherd's pie here. Check it out, looking so nice. Shepherd's pie for dinner. Check it out. Looking so good.